FPS conference for me was very positive new revelation because I had a fantastic meetings here, and the meetings I had so far were really great.
The event has been great. The conference has been wonderful. I've met so many people.
But this is, I would say, it's a very boutique style, and the organizer really take care of everyone. They know everybody, so this brings me a very close feeling. It's more like a family.
We have like double number of members, and that increases, of course, the opportunities for our company to introduce to new companies and to increase our business together. I really encourage all the new companies who want to join FPS to come for the next year and experience this great network. The management is doing a great job. So thank you for having us here, and I hope to see you next year.
Thank you.